Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 20 Kemback Bridge in Kemback. Now if you don't know where that is in comparison to everything, we're 3 miles just outside Cupar, we're 7 miles just outside St Andrews, and we're in a beautiful countryside location. This property is a 4-bedroom semi-detached property finished to, you've got high standard, but this is extremely high standard. There has been no expense spared on the finish in this property, and you'll see that when I talk about it, when I go throughout. Even the double garage has potential, because it's all been king spanned and dry and lined, and all the insulation put in, and all the electrics and all the heating system put in as well, if you want to convert it. It is a 4-bedroom though, so it is a huge property. It is on a substantial plot as well, beautiful landscape gardens all the way around. Now, just so you know where we are, just at the top of that road, you go back into Cupar, 3 miles. Down there, you'll go back into Scotty, and then you'll go further on to St Andrews, which is 7 miles. You can also get out to Dundee if that's what you want to do as well. But this is the property right here. So all the way down, all the way here, and all the way up, and this is it here. And we keep going, we've got the double garage, and then we keep going, and we keep going, and we'll keep going, and we'll keep going. And I need to show you this because this is a perfect opportunity. This bit sits in the sun most of the day, and it's protected from all the elements because it's got this nice big high field at the back here, which gives you that nice enclosure and shelter. Hence the reason why this is perfectly laid out like that overall. But they've got a double carport under here as well, and I'll let you see that when we go inside and we'll walk through it. Monoblock driveway to the front, as we'll see. So you see the double carport in here? So you can easily get a fan in there. You can get a couple of fans in there because the higher. This shows you how well this is finished. Even this has got insulation. See that? And you've got an up and over automatic roller door there for your own single garage if you want, but then you've got a double garage which is accessed through the house as well. Beautiful landscape front gardens. And massive amount of parking area here overall. Let me zoom out a bit so you can see a bit more. We'll just come round it again. There we go. Even the central heating oil, even the shed at that house's the oil tank is actually all insulated and everything as well from the elements. Over into my front door here as we walk up here. This is kind of barrier-free access, isn't it? The way we come in here in this small slope and then into your front door. So your composite front door finished, beautiful oak flooring as we come in. Oak doors, oak skimptons and facings all the way throughout here. So oak flooring, oak doors, chrome handles, all the way in here and all the way throughout. Wait to see the dining kitchen. So double bedroom off to my right hand side here. You can see the cupboards to the rear for storage. This overlooks the front garden. So plenty of room in there. The next double bedroom in here is off to the rear, as you'll see. So good size there again as well. You've got your shower room in here. So you can see your sink. I love that floor. Beautiful, isn't it? Why don't I put these things in my house? I need more imagination. Gorgeous. An electric shower overhead. And that beautiful shower enclosure and chrome radiator there. And then across to my left hand side I've got the dining kitchen. So real good sized dining kitchen. We've got an induction hob there, extractor above, and as we come along you can see the sink, and just off into there is the actual dishwasher. You've got a double oven, and then you've got the microwave above, the Bosch double oven microwave above, and then you've got a fridge and you've got a freezer there as well. And you can see adequate space for a dining table and chairs. Let's look at it from a different angle over in this corner. Real high quality finish. And again, the oak flooring leads us through into the main sitting room. Now we're going to go across to the laundry last and then out through the double garage to the back garden. But you can get easy access out to the garden if you want through this door, but you'd rather just, you know, you get out the patio doors at the front as well. You probably want to go the patio doors to the side, because that sits in the sun all the time. This is roasting in this room, by the way. no expense spared when finishing this off. Cupboard under stairs for storage. You've even got your own master suite here. So potentially, you can maybe change one of the bedrooms to a living room area and then close this off. And if you've got one level living for maybe an extended family, then possibly they've got their own suite here and then their own bedroom and their own shower room. So bedroom off to the side here. Again, following the same theme of the oak finishings and facings. And you've got in here in the doors. And then you've got your shower room with inset bowl and a thermostatic shower this time. Electric and a thermostatic one in here. And then up the stairs, this is a fantastic bedroom. So access through your own door here, and look at this wonderful chrome and timber balustrade going all the way up here. And this stairwell. And yeah, you've guessed it, beautiful views out to the back. So really good sized room here. You could easily get a king size bed in there, probably even a super king. And you've got plenty of space over here as well. Just let me walk back and let you see how far this goes in. See that? That's a big room, isn't it? But I tell you what, it's warm in here as well. And then you've got that outlook to the rear. I could feel the heat coming off the window with the sun. And here. As we go back round, now let's go downstairs, and then we're going to go out for the laundry area and then into the double garage and out to the rear garden. As I said, you can get access out there, out the patio doors, but we're going to go through the laundry. God, even the laundry looks better than my kitchen. And utility cupboard in here for your wash machine. Even you've got, you know, the timber worktops here, the worktop, and you've got the Belfast style sink, metro style tiles above. You've got a doorway either side. You've even got a light tunnel to bring in natural light into your laundry area. And then as we go into the garage, in here, this is a real good size here. So good size garage. You can see overall. I'll just let you have a look as I come round. Now see that up there. There was a stairs there before to get access up into there, which is more or less like a home office. It's all strapped on board and kingspan and everything, and electrics and everything up there as well. But he wanted more space, the person that's got this, and they want more space for a workshop area. So that's why. But this is all kingspan and strapped on board, and it's got its own heating system as well. So if you want another usable living space, then this could easily be converted. Even the garage door off the back's, you know, composite as well. It just shows you. So as we go out the back garden, here we go to the back patio area. Now that's off the living room. See the double doors that we had there, the patio doors we had there before. Got this beautiful area for seating. There's to the side. Remember I talked about the oil tank and that in its own wee enclosure, and then the access out to the side to get to the front garden, and then access into the single garage. This is a perfect sun trap, isn't it? We're sitting at 2:30. This is literally going to, you know, the sun comes up over here, and it goes all the way around, and keeps all the way around, and it goes down over there somewhere. So it sits on here mid-afternoon to evening. So at the front, you could spend your morning in the front, and then you could spend your evening, your afternoon and evening into here. But see what I mean about the size of the plot? Because we've still got more of this to go. Own outbuilding for a workshop if that's what you want as well. Again, these are all strapped and board and lined. And then you've even got your own sunroom as well. Similar theme, double glazing, strapped and board, electrics and everything in here. It's probably one of the best sun houses I've seen in terms of fittings. And then you've got to be kind of protected from the elements, because you've got that big high field over there, which actually stops all the winds coming into here, because it goes across you, if that's the case. So this is boiling now actually. I am actually roasting. And then round the corner here, so they used to have a hen coop here, and then it goes off into the back. So if you want to keep hens, you know, it could go out in the back of there as well. You can have that. And then there's a nice patio area here as well. And then you've got out that, you remember that door I talked about in the living room? As you come off the back, that comes out into here, and this is your drying area as well. So you can get easy access into there. What a beautiful property. Now, I am going to finish off right here and talk to you about this one. Just recap. Okay, 20 Kemback Bridge in Kemback, 3 miles just outside Cupar, 7 miles just outside St Andrews. So if it's primary school education you've got, Ceres is the place to go to, or you can go to the primary school in Cupar, and you've got the high school in Cupar as well at Bell Baxter. You've got the train station in Cupar, you've got the main shopping facilities in Cupar as well, which is just 3 miles away. If you want to golf and you want the beaches and you want the harbour and you want the Fife coastal path and everything like that as well, you're 7 miles up the road to St Andrews, but you're in one of the most idyllic locations, I would say. I kind of, when I first came here, thought of Brigadoon. It's like, no one knows it's here, but it's everywhere you'd want to be. If you've thought about your dream location, this probably would be it for a lot of people, definitely. Especially this type of property. A 4-bedroom, semi-detached property, finished to an extremely exceptional high standard, on a good sized substantial plot. Low maintenance as well, because you can see all the patio and everything that's been done in the monoblock to the front. And you've got that single garage, you've got the double garage to the side, you've also got that double carport as well, and then you've got that wee sneaky bit that I showed you at the beginning, that you could just bask in the sun all day long. You're only really going to come here if you live here, or you're visiting somebody here. So it's a wonderful location for that very reason. Okay, there's more details on this post if you want to click on the link above or below. You can see the photographs and descriptions itself. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01334 65 42 21. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.